This rather smart camper van is a Wildax Europa. It's a 6.36 metre vehicle, 3.5 tonnes, so it can be driven on a car licence, and it's 140 horsepower and based on the Fiat chassis. It's a nice piece of kit, this one actually. I'm going to take you around and give you a quick tour of the outside, but it's the inside in particular which I think you'll like. So on the outside here we've got, this is the cassette for the toilet. We've got the water filler tucked away underneath there. If we come around here, the 240 volt power plugs in, as you can see on the back here. And if we come all the way around, you can see it's based on the Fiat Ducato. In here, the accommodation comes right to the back, but what they have done is put a bit of storage down underneath here. So you have got quite nice areas inside here, like so. And of course there's more storage inside the vehicle, but they've very much given us over to accommodation, and when we go inside you'll see how good that is. High level brake lights on this one, reversing camera is up there as well. Also an awning on this one, and I'm pretty sure I'm right in saying there's solar panels, yes, pretty sure I'm right in saying there's solar panels on here as well. And then you said solar power, same difference. That one there is so that you can plug a barbecue in, I believe, onto the outside, and in fact the gas bottles themselves live just inside here. We'll slide it open and I'll show you. That one there's the fuel filler, like so, and then that one drops back thusly, and that there is where the gas bottles live. Now there's a button just here that will power out the step, and in we go. And they've laid this out, it's a really good layout for two people. So you've got two people here sleeping for two, and it just means they've not tried to cram too much in. It works really well. So swiveling seats, as you can see, really nice. I think there's leather upholstery on here, it certainly smells like it. It does smell really nice in here actually. And then here you've got obviously the cockpit, 6-speed manual gearbox on this one. It's got the climate control on this one. It's got the screen for that, reversing camera, and sat nav, that kind of thing. Also got things like USB chargers in here, 12 volt power is there, and you've also got blinds that come across, so these just drop across from there and also from there. There we go, and you've got the armrest that drop down as well, which is nice. So that is that end, but I think as we go a bit further back it gets a little bit more interesting. There's storage up above here, and also the control panel is here. So this is giving you things like, we can go into batteries, and that's giving us the vehicle battery and the leisure battery. There's the main isolator for the lights is here, so you can turn that off and know that everything is off. What else can we look at here? Water tank level, all that kind of stuff is all configured from there. As we come across here, then we've got a bit of lighting across here, light switches, there's a carbon monoxide alarm here, and then if we come right on around, we've got the kitchen over here as well. Now you can extend this because that one there lifts up like so, that's quite helpful. Bin is down underneath, as you've probably spotted for yourself, and then underneath here, oops, if you move the tap out of the way, you've got your sink, and then obviously that just comes back in like so. There's storage up above, and that's all the way around. You can see it everywhere, so a whole ton of storage just there. There's also storage down underneath. This is what I mean about how they've put all the storage really inside the vehicle, like so, and like so. And then we've got gas cooking there, oven as well of course. And then because they've made this all interior, you get this wonderful area back here. Look at that. That is a really nice, comfortable social area. Now you can take the backrests off and use this as two singles, but also you can put an infant into here. You can see there's lips for it across here, and then those backrests then are right length to drop into there and make that into a massive double bed if you prefer. What else can I show you while we're pointed in this direction? If we come back a little bit further, this one here is the Truma heating system. So on here it gives you access, if we unlock the screen, to the heating and the hot water system, and these are run off of either the 240 volt power as we've got at the minute plugged in, or they'll run off of diesel. So you can come out of here and into there. That's giving you the temperature you can go from there, and you can choose whether you want the electric on or off, or the diesel on or off. As I say, at the minute we're off of diesel and we're on electric. You can come back out of there. You've also got hot water, also driven from here, turned off at the minute because there's no water in the vehicle because it's brand new, and so forth. Settings there, etc. I mentioned this is all storage. We've all got the opening windows. These drop down to give you blinds, but you can also go the other way with them, and that's giving you bug screens. And you've got those all the way around. Little reading lights tucked in the corners. These are nice. So you can have it like that. There's a little low level lighting. I'll push it again and you get the reading light. Push it again and the whole lot goes off. I like the funky lighting they put in along here as well. That's really nice. Up above then we've got opening skylight, and again with those blinds that come across like so. Bug screen that way, and then the night screen that way. Loads more storage all the way around here. And then again, as we saw on the other one, these are just blinds that go over the windows, and those windows open, and again with the reading lights tucked into the corners. That one there is power socket and TV aerial socket, so if you want a television, that can be mounted onto that panel. And if we come on around a little bit further, yet more storage tucked away in places like this. So that's actually a hanging rail. You'll also notice in there table legs, and those are to go in here, down into the floor. And if we come on a little bit further, fridge there, that's 12 volt powered fridge. We've also got a microwave in this one, which is nice, and that will run, I would imagine, off of that 240 volt power. I don't imagine that's battery powered. And then that one there is the table. You can see the where the table leg goes in just there, and a second one down there, so you can have one or two depending on how much table you want. And then we come on forward a little bit further down this side. Did I mention the fridge? I did mention the fridge. It's just there. We didn't open it, did we? Let's have a little look. There we go. Pretty decent size. Got the freezer compartment at the top as well. And then finally on this side we've got the toilet. So this one here slides. The loo is there. Wash basin is there. Shower just there. And again, it's got the little opening vent up above it, which is very helpful. And again, a little bit of storage tucked away in there. It's nice though, isn't it? As I say, they've not tried to cram too much into this one, and I think as a result, if we come all the way back, you can see how well that works. That is a nice, compact, but comfortable van. I like that. Fantastic. Okay, let's come back up to this end. I'm going to take a seat here. I'm going to say massive thanks to Highbridge Motorhomes. They've got this one for sale. I'll put a link to those guys in the description, and I'll say massive thanks, of course, to you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of that one in the comments, and we'll catch you on one of these real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.